this video, we're going to learn how to measure angles. First, I guess we should go over the definition of what an angle is. So that is a figure which is formed by two rays or lines that share a common endpoint. So for example, this here, two lines join in a common point that forms an angle there. So I thought we would do two practice ones using our protractor A down here and protractor B. Now, we use protractors to measure angles, and how it works is you obviously need to, first of all, align your angle. So I will just draw one here. Apologies for my lack of straight lines. So there's two lines, line 1, line 2, that meet at a point. So we need to obviously line up the bottom line with the baseline of the protractor, which is this line across here that runs all the way along. And then we need to line up the vertex of the angle, or the point, the intersection point, with the middle of the protractor, like I have done here. Cool. Because this angle is small, we need to begin counting from the 0, which is here, and then to where it intersects on the protractor, which is there. So we can count around, we get to 80, and then we can say that this angle here on protractor A is an angle of 80 degrees. Now, I will draw another one. Again, apologies for the lack of straight lines. But on protractor B, we've got this angle here. So we can first of all see that it's already lined up because I draw it on top, but with you and your one, you will line it up perfectly with the bottom of the protractor or the baseline. And we always count from 0. So we can count along 10, 20, 30, until we reach 120. So we can say that the angle here on protractor B is 120 degrees. Now, if, for example, your angle is in the other direction, so, for example, it goes along this way, all right? So obviously the angle is facing in the opposite direction. We still count from 0, however, the 0 is actually on the outer edge of the protractor. So again, we still count from 0, we go all the way around the outside, and this one we reach 130. It's exactly the same, except it's just the opposite side. So this angle here equates to 130. So key takeaways from this is making sure that you align the angle with the baseline of the protractor, you put the vertex of the angle in the center point, and then you measure the distance between the two lines by starting at the 0 and counting around until you intersect with the line.